Hey, John here at the Emerald Hollow Mine. Over at Flint Ridge, in that part, it was flooded as I had shown you, so I had to work the higher ground, and it was well worth it. Check this out. This is ankerite, and there's some mica in there, but there's the mica. I'll go through this nice and slow. You'll see all of the rutile in here. Up in here. And right there. That is a good sized chunk there. Needless to say, that will be explored in much greater lengths. Alright, well, that's it for now. Got work to do. I shall leave you with this.